What's up, guys? So I was at Costco the other day and I saw a GoPro Hero 9 Black. It's actually on sale now. Now this is a freaking awesome bundle setup. I used the GoPro Hero 8 that I got at Costco last year for quite a bit of these videos, so I know how awesome it is. Now this is taking it one step further because it actually has a selfie screen now, which is basically a little screen in the front so you can see what you're recording if the camera's facing you. Nice upgrade for sure. So this is going to have a better resolution sensor, better quality video, images, everything. And because it's Costco, you get a bundle. It's going to come with 2 batteries, which are larger than the previous GoPros, so you get more runtime. The little miniature selfie stick, a SD card, and then the carrying case, as well as a couple little mounts. Awesome deal. Awesome camera, highly recommend it. Alright, so I just wanted to share my Costco find with you guys real quick. That's going to do it for this one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for lots more videos just like this. Peace.